Hello, my name is Kimberlyn Martin, and I'm the Manager of Education and Youth Programs here at the Museum of Fine Arts, St. Petersburg. We're very excited to announce that registration for our MFA summer camps and workshops is now open. This July, little learners in grades 1st through 5th are invited to join us for 2 weeks of art and science camps. The first week will become archaeologists as we travel back in time to learn what art and artifacts from ancient Egypt, Greece, China, and Mexico can tell us about the people who made them. Campers will get their hands dirty as they excavate their own archaeology site and work together to solve a history mystery. The second week will dive into nature as we learn how artists from all around the world have long been inspired by plants, animals, water, weather, and even outer space. Campers will make their own nature-inspired artworks, and special guests will bring exciting nature encounters to our classroom. Our final week, young women in grades 6 through 9 are invited to our Wild Creations Art and Empowerment Workshop, where we'll meet the women of the MFA curatorial team and learn how female artists from history through today have used art as a tool for empowerment, advocacy, and expression. For more information about our summer programs, including dates, pricing, and scholarships, visit our website mfastpete.org. We can't wait to see you this summer at the MFA.